p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, Payne, and Potawatomi. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, Logan County in central Oklahoma, until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marshall to 5 miles northwest of Piedmont, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters reported golf ball-sized hail northwest of Cashin. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured.
Guess it's only the
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Guthrie, Crescent, Cashin, Cedar Valley, Marshall, Mohall, Cimarron City, Orlando, Lovell, Nadina, and Seward. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for Eastern.
Okay, so that was unexpected. Anyways, so there was a severe thunderstorm warning issued before this one, along with the severe thunderstorm watch, which unfortunately I missed, but y'all heard the recording of it. So, yeah, unfortunately I didn't get the severe thunderstorm warning, but I at least got that severe thunderstorm watch. Anyways, well, actually I may be able to get the recording from WJOM, but we'll see. If you hear it before this one, then that means that I managed to get a recording of it from WJON. But if you don't, it's not that big of a deal. Anyways, thank you for watching. That'll be it for now.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southern Logan County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles northeast of Guthrie to 3 miles south of Cashin, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters reported golf ball-sized hail near the Kingfisher and Logan County line. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northeastern Oklahoma City, Edmond, Guthrie, Langston, Luther, Coyle, Cedar Valley, Arcadia, Meridian, Nadina, and Seward. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued 547, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time.
I'm gonna get this fixed where this can go off.
In Oklahoma, Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, Payne, and Potawatomi. Remember,
That should be good enough.
conditions are
So,
favorable for the
yeah. So, this stuff is pretty much in my direction now. Apparently, there's been some rotation with the storm. Apparently, there's some rotation. Is there a tornado risk? There is. It's not that big though, but there is tornado risk. Tornado risk is not 0. We're supposed to get up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gust. And yeah.
Southeastern Logan County in central Oklahoma. Southeastern Payne County in central Oklahoma. Until 6:30 p.m., Central Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lincoln County in central Oklahoma. Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma. Southeastern Logan County in central Oklahoma. Southeastern Oklahoma. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters reported quarter-size hail and heavy. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City. Severe weather has been confirmed by quarter-size hail and heavy. Choctaw, War Acres, The Village, Harris, Spencer, Nichols Hills, Perkins, Jones, Tacoma Park, Luther, Wellston, Kearney, Tryon, and Ripley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. War Acres, The Village, Harris, Spencer, Nichols Hills, Perkins. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of southeastern Noble and central Tryon and Ripley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along the line extending from 3 miles northwest of Glencoe to 5 miles southwest of
Dr. Liz from Clearside.
LASIK itself has now been dubbed the most effective elective procedure in the world. There's nothing better out there. PRK of today is better than the PRK of even 10 years ago. We have a variety of implants that can treat prescriptions or vision problems that we could never have imagined treating years ago.
We can treat press in the country and has been safe. I
give you that vision that you want.
Okay, so here's how stuff's going to work for now. This will go on 94.7 The Brew, or not 94.7 The Brew, 96.1 KXY. I guess this will go on 101.9 The Twister, KTST, since apparently they relay NWR alerts. I didn't know that. This will be the main. No other radio as far as, you know, as far as hearing the alerts. This will just go off. This 947 The Brew.
Now, to learn about...
Actually, I may not use this. This. That doesn't sound nice. They're playing Christmas music. Anyways, this can't be used for AM FM alerts because its tuner's too bad. So, yeah. But anyways, thank you for watching, and that'll be it for now. I'm sure some more alerts will be issued, and because my parents are not home at the moment, I might turn on some of these radios on the bottom shelf. And also, I'm going to go ahead and catch alerts from KJY95. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. That'll be it for now.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma until 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:53 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rice Springs, moving at 15 miles an hour. Oklahoma expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters reported quarter-size hail south of Rice Springs. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and quarter-size hail. Locations move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 547, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties: in Oklahoma, Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, and Potawatomi.
Okay.
Thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail
That
and
one went
damaging
off.
winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent,
So that was unexpected. I went to go cut my pizza, and this happened. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. That'll be it. At least for now. I'm sure there are going to be more alerts. But I'm gonna try and catch some stuff off of KJY95 with the ER50. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, and that'll be it for now.
Just to get upside after last time you got gas.
the National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Payne County in central Oklahoma until 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:17 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles south of Yale, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: broadcast media reported wind gust of 67 miles an hour north of Cushing. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cushing, Yale, Ripley, and Key. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The FBI is committed to combating hate crime and call FBI or submit tips.
Okay.
Until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for Western Lincoln, Eastern Oklahoma.
Go ahead and show you that since it was brought up. So there's the SVA you saw. You can see the tornado index. We're not on the tornado risk. Oops. We're not on the tornado risk, but we are kind of still in the hail risk. $50 assessment.
Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Birmingham, southern Oklahoma, northeastern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Carter County in southern Oklahoma until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:20 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bray, moving at 25 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bray, Foster, Rapid City, and Grinnell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm warning for
Okay. And they went to commercial break. Anyways, that was unexpected. Went over there to show you what things were looking like on radar and also the supposed tornado warning down near Lawton. All of a sudden, 400 goes off. Although that is quite a nice little feature of the 400 is that it has such a good tuner that even when my phone's plugged in like it is now, that's why I was angling the camera a little weird, but when my phone's plugged in, it still gets a decent enough reception to be able to catch the tones, but not only catch the tones, but catch them properly and display the proper event. Now, occasionally it'll say unknown message, but for the most part, it does catch the tones properly and display the actual event type, which is pretty nice. Anyways, thank you for watching, and that'll be it for now. Here we go again.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, eastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Logan County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Payne County in central Oklahoma, northern Potawatomi County in central Oklahoma, until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for Lincoln at 6:24 p.m. Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorm. Near near Oklahoma City, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicated for Central Standard. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include eastern Oklahoma City, southeastern Midland, Midwest City, Shawnee, Del City, Cushing, Chandler, Choctaw, Hara, McLeod, Spencer, Perkins, Jones, Stroud, Tacoma Park, Pratt, Luther, Meeker, Davenport, and Wellston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Shawnee, Del City, Cushing, Chandler, Choctaw, Hara, McLeod, Spencer, Perkins, Jones, Stroud, Tacoma Park, Pratt, Luther, Meeker, Davenport, and Wellston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay. Okay. Suppose I probably need to charge the Vector VC438 a little bit, but anyways, thank you for watching, and that'll be it for now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I'm out here, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I have to use this. As you can see here, there's some pieces of ice. We got some hail here. As you can see here on the rug, we have hail. We have hail falling here. We do have some hail falling down here. If I use light on the ER50, you can see it all falling down. Yeah. Being kind of violent. As you can see here, you might not be able to see on camera. Ow. I've got hail falling on me. But yeah, even over here, you kind of see some hail here. Not sure how big it is. Fortunately, it's just falling and hitting the concrete rapidly. Too rapidly for me to try and it's going to be hard to try and find a good piece because it's falling so rapidly and hitting this concrete so hard that that's breaking into a bunch of pieces. Yeah, but you can definitely see we have some hail here. Holy cow. I see what looks to be a piece of hail out in the yard, but I'm not going to try and go get it for safety reasons. If I I had a helmet that fit me, I would go out there. I'm not going to. For the record, I do have, well, obviously I have the ER50, but I have the HH50 with me as well. Catch alerts that get issued while I'm out here. Yeah, there's definitely some hail. As you can see, use the ER50. There's definitely some hail. There's definitely some hail out here. Like I said, I don't know how big. I'm not going to try and find out for safety reasons. Obviously, I don't want to get hit. But probably at least quarter size hail. If I go over here. Yeah, there's definitely some hail falling. Ooh, that's bright. Yeah, but there's no doubt hail. First time we've had hail in quite a while. If we look here, you can see water all the way here.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, southern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northern Potawatomi County in central Oklahoma, until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:09 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Chandler to near Harrah, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management reported quarter-size hail in Harrah. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern Oklahoma City, Northern, Shawnee, Tecumseh, Chandler, Harrah, McLeod, Stroud, Braid, Pink, Meeker, Davenport, Hillsboro, Johnson, Sparks, Kendrick, Brooksville, Neuala, Stella, and Dale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Tecumseh, Chandler, Harrah, McLeod, Stroud, Braid, Pink, Meeker, Davenport, Hillsboro.
Oh, KJ194 went off.
Southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern and northern Potawatomi counties. At 7:02 p.m. Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 4 miles.
Starting over. Mike Henderson.
Track $50 million a year.
Miles an hour. Hazard 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management reported quarter-size hail in Harrah. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs.
Okay, so it's been about a year since this event happened. This part of the video is being recorded on November 5th of 2022. And after analyzing a bunch of reports from the National Weather Service and the press, like news outlets, radio stations, those sources, a couple people were injured as a result of this event. The good news that nobody had any significant injuries, as well as nobody lost their life as a result of this event. So that is some good news. Like I said, a couple people were injured, unfortunately. But the good news, nobody had any significant injuries and nobody died as a result of this event. There were a couple dozen houses that were damaged. And those end up totaling to, I believe it was between $250,000 and $1,000 worth of damages to houses, and there were a couple cars that were damaged. But yeah, considering how the event that came before this was not bad. Like I said, a couple people were injured, unfortunately, and there were a couple dozen houses that were damaged, and there were a few cars that were damaged. But the good news is that nobody had any significant injuries, as well as nobody died as a result of this event. So getting into the results as far as the hail size and maximum wind speed and stuff, the maximum wind speed reported was 74 miles an hour. That was the maximum wind reported, was 74 miles per hour wind. The maximum hail size was 2-inch diameter hail. That was the maximum hail size that people got. Most people got quarter size hail, but some people did receive 2-inch hail. And then there were no tornadoes that touched down as a result of this event, which is also good. There were a couple of brief spin-ups as a result of this event, but those were in the southwest part of the state, which there's a lot of open land out there, and that's where those spin-ups happened. So, luckily, one in heavily populated areas. But yeah, so no tornadoes touched down, and there were a couple of brief spin-ups, but those were in very low populated areas. In fact, some of the areas where they happen, nobody lives out there, so yeah. Anyway, just wanted to give you those results. As always, thank you for watching, and be sure to have yourself a nice day.